The UK Ministry of Defence has downselected 4 manufacturers to move to the next phase of its £1 billion new medium helicopter acquisition. Airbus, Boeing, Leonardo and Lockheed Martin were all notified on October 31 that they had successfully passed the DPQQ assessment. Industry competitors were asked in May to submit responses to a dynamic pre-qualification questionnaire, DPQQ, in order for an initial assessment phase to be carried out and a shortlist of eligible bidders approved. Next steps in the process will see a full set of requirements being released by the MOD and industry receiving a RFP in 2023. The second half of the competition, in which we will ask the selected suppliers to provide more detailed responses, is due to be launched later this financial year, added a MOD spokesperson in a November 2 statement. NMH calls for a maximum procurement of 44 aircraft to replace the RAF's Puma HC.2 battlefield helicopters, a fleet made up of 23 platforms, and a number of smaller rotary fleets, including the Bell 212, Bell 412 and AS-365 Dolphins. The new rotorcraft is expected to enter service from 2025 onward, with offers from industry to be judged against a new procurement strategy based around introduction of the Defence and Security Industrial Strategy, DSS, introduced in March 2021. Under that guidance, all UK military acquisitions are supposed to give greater consideration to national prosperity opportunities, with contractors expected to demonstrate how their proposals can add long-term social value and economic growth across the region or around their preferred, UK-based production facilities. Such a change in strategy has already influenced manufacturing plans, with Airbus offering the H175M, committing to set up a production line for the aircraft in Broughton, Wales, where it makes wings for the A380 commercial airliner. The company has also confirmed that any future export orders of the helicopter will be manufactured at the same site, again on the basis that such a move will boost UK prosperity. That plan should not be underestimated in terms of how significant it is, diverging from the wider tradition of Airbus helicopter exports being overseen by the company's Marignane, France, production base. Also of note is the fact it offers genuine competition to Leonardo, which has long grown accustomed to being the only onshore rotary supplier in the UK. Airbus has, however, had to work to allay any national security fears over the inclusion of Chinese-sourced parts in its commercial H175 supply line, with it consistently maintaining that the H175M, if selected, will use alternative suppliers. For its part, Leonardo has said it will end AW149 production in Italy should it receive a NMH contract and move out with a new assembly line in Yeovil, southwest England. It has also added 70 suppliers from England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland as part of Team AW149 UK, to convince the UK MOD that it has formidable social value aspirations.